Struggling to choose between SAP and Tally to streamline your business? We break down the ultimate ERP showdown in just 90 seconds. First, let's talk accounting. SAP offers robust financial reporting, compliance features, and handles complex consolidations for large enterprises. Tally is simpler, user-friendly, and ideal for small to medium-sized businesses focused on basic accounting needs. Next, inventory. SAP excels at managing intricate supply chains, tracking inventory across multiple locations, and optimizing stock levels with advanced forecasting. Tally offers inventory tracking, but it's less sophisticated, suitable for simpler inventory setups. For manufacturing, SAP integrates seamlessly with production planning, quality control, and shop floor management. Tally supports basic manufacturing processes but lacks the advanced features of SAP. When it comes to sales, SAP offers comprehensive CRM integration, Salesforce automation, and detailed sales analytics. Tally provides basic sales, order management, and invoicing. Now, the critical considerations: scalability. SAP scales effortlessly for large, growing companies. Tally is better suited for smaller businesses. Cost. SAP implementations are significantly more expensive than Tally. Implementation complexity. SAP requires extensive customization and specialized consultants. Tally is easier to deploy and use. In summary, SAP is a powerful, feature-rich solution for large enterprises with complex needs and a willingness to invest. Tally is a cost-effective, user-friendly option for small to medium-sized businesses seeking basic ERP functionality. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific business requirements, budget, and growth plans. Analyze your needs carefully to make the right decision.